Good day! Ngayon ay pag-aaralan natin ang graphing linear functions using table of values. Let's start. Let's have our example. Y is equal to 2x plus 5. Para i-graph ang linear function na to sa Cartesian plane, kailangan mag-assign tayo ng values ng x. Dahil ang x dito, kung matatandaan natin, ay ang independent variable. Kung ang x ang ating independent variable, pwede tayong maglagay ng mga values ng x. And recommended na ang mga values na ilalagay natin sa x ay from negative 2, tapos negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. Ito ang mga recommended na values ng x. Kaya ito yung recommended values ng x dahil meron kang 0 at meron kang negative and positive numbers. Pero hindi naman siya talaga totally nasusunod. May mga problems kasi na minsan puro positive yung values ng x, minsan puro negative. Depende sa sinusolve ninyong problem kung ano yung magsusut na values ng x para doon. And in this case, gawin natin tong recommended. After natin mailagay yung values ng x, we are going to substitute each values of x dito sa ating linear function. So, paano natin gagawin yun? First, let's substitute x equals negative 2. So, we have y is equal to 2x plus 5. Since x is equal to negative 2, we have 2 times negative 2 plus 5. 2 times negative 2 is equal to negative 4. Tapos, bring down yung 5. So, we have negative 4 plus 5. And negative 4 plus 5 is equal to positive 1. So, y is equal to 1. Next, let's have negative 1. So, we have another y is equal to 2. This time, sa negative 1 na natin siya imumultiply. So, we have negative 1 here, and then plus 5. 2 times negative 1 is equal to negative 2. Then, bring down 5. And negative 2 plus 5 is equal to positive 3. So, y here is equal to 3. Ayan. Next, we have 0 as a value of x. So, we have y is equal to 2 times 0 ngayon plus 5. 2 times 0 is automatically 0. So, ang natira na lang ay 5. So, we have y is equal to 5. So, lagay natin dito, 5. Next, we have positive 1. And isa-substitute natin siya. We have y equals 2 times positive 1 plus 5. 2 times 1 is equal to positive 2 and plus 5. And 2 plus 5 is equal to positive 7. So, y is equal to 7. Lalagay natin siya dyan. And lastly, we have positive 2. And isa-substitute lang natin siya. So, we have y is equal to 2 times yung value natin, which is 2. And then, plus 5. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. And 4 plus 5 is equal to positive 9. So, y here is equal to 9. Nakumpleto na natin yung values ng x and y. After makumpleto yung values ng x and y, gagawin na natin siyang coordinates. So, delete ko lang tong solution natin para may space tayo. Para gawin yon, simple lang. Ang gagawin natin, sulat natin siya, parenthesis, and then yung x value, dito siya, and then yung y value, dyan naman. So, we have coordinates ngayon. So, gawin lang natin siya the rest of the values. So, we have -1 and 3. Next, we have 0 and 5. So, this is 0, 5. Next, we have 1, 7. And lastly, we have 2, 9. Ayan. Meron na tayong coordinate. So, pwede na natin itong i-plot sa Cartesian plane. So, drawing tayo ng Cartesian plane. Meron na tayong Cartesian plane. Pwede na tayong mag-plot ng mga points. First, we have -2, 1. So, sa x, we have -2. So, 2 steps pa kaliwa. 1, 2. And then, sa value ng y, we have 1. So, 1 step pataas. So, we have 1. And kung saan magi-intersect yung -2 and 1, yun yung points nila. So, ito yung 1, then ito yung -2. Ayan, nag-intersect sila dito. So, this is -2, 1. Sulat lang natin. -2, 1. Next, we have -1, 3. So, 1 step pa kaliwa, dito siya. And then 3 steps pataas. So, 1, 2, 3. Then, ayan, dito siya. So, this point here is 1 or -1, sorry. -1, 3. Ayan. Next, we have 0, 5. Since 0 na siya, yung 5 na lang yung iintindihin natin. So, 5 steps pataas. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan. Ito yung next point natin. Tapos na natin to 0, 5. So, sulat natin. This is 0, 5. Next, we have 1, 7. So, meron tayong 1 step pa kanan. So, we have 1 here. And then, 7 steps pataas. So, 5 na to, 6, then 7. Drawing tayo ng linya. Then, dito naman sa may 1, kung saan sila mag-i-intersect. Ayan, dito. So, this point here is 1, 7. Lastly, we have 2, 9. So, 2 steps pa kanan, we have 1 and 2. And then 9 sa y-axis. So, pataas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, dito yung 9. Drawing tayo, linya pahiga sa 9. And then, linya patayo sa 2. Kung saan sila mag-i-intersect, ayun, dito. So, this line here is 2, 9. After plotting these points, makakabuo ka ngayon ng isang straight line. So, mapapansin nyo. Ayan. And what you can do here is to extend the line. Pababa and then pataas. And that is how you graph the line y equals 2x plus 5.